Tips for keeping your Roku remote in working condition.
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing some tips to help you keep your Roku remote in excellent working condition. We understand how frustrating it can be when your remote starts acting up, so let's dive right in and explore some handy tricks to ensure a smooth user experience without needing a pairing button or Wi-Fi.
Clean the remote regularly.
Keeping your remote clean is crucial for maintaining its functionality. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate on the buttons and inside the remote, causing them to become unresponsive or sticky. Regularly clean your remote using a soft cloth or cotton swab lightly dampened with a mild cleaning solution or rubbing alcohol. Gently wipe the surface and buttons, taking care not to let any liquid seep inside the remote.
Replace the batteries.
Sometimes, the culprit behind remote issues is simply depleted batteries. When your remote becomes sluggish or unresponsive, it's always a good idea to replace the batteries. Make sure to use fresh, high-quality batteries to ensure optimal performance. Remember to remove the batteries if you won't be using the remote for an extended period to avoid potential leakage and damage.
Avoid dropping or rough handling.
Accidental drops or rough handling can damage the internal components of your Roku remote, leading to malfunctioning buttons or erratic behavior. To prevent this, handle your remote with care and avoid subjecting it to unnecessary impacts or falls. A protective case or cover can provide an extra layer of cushioning and safeguard your remote from accidental damage.
Keep the remote away from water or liquids.
It's no secret that water and electronics don't mix well. Exposure to moisture can damage the sensitive circuitry of your Roku remote and render it unusable. Keep your remote away from water or any liquids, and avoid using it with wet hands. In case of accidental spills, immediately power off the remote, remove the batteries, and let it dry completely before attempting to use it again.
Store the remote in a safe place.
Proper storage plays a significant role in preserving the longevity of your Roku remote. When not in use, store your remote in a safe and dry place away from extreme temperatures, direct sunlight, and areas prone to humidity. This will help prevent any potential damage that could affect the remote's performance. And there you have it. These tips should help you maintain your Roku remote in excellent working condition, ensuring a hassle-free streaming experience without relying on a pairing button or Wi-Fi. Remember to regularly clean your remote, replace the batteries when needed, handle it with care, keep it away from liquids, and store it properly. By following these simple steps, you can keep your remote working like a charm for a long time. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!